Guys, I'm gonna take this car to Abu Dhabi now. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? How is everyone doing? Guys, we accidentally got a Bentley Flying Spur 2006. I'm taking it to Abu Dhabi now from Sharjah. This car is going to be used for my daily construction work if I can reach to 1 million subscribers in 1 month, because this is some expensive shit. Anyhow, let me tell you about the car. Guys, this is the Bentley 2006. It's a V12 Flying Spur, okay, and 340 kilometers per hour. Totally badass. Consumed a lot of petrol, and yeah, this is the famous B logo gear, wood trim, the famous clock, okay, and it's pretty amazing. The carpets are comfortable, the seats are amazing, the car is extremely, like, it drives like a dream. It's not like Mercedes is also amazing car, but what happens with Mercedes is like once you're driving, so you'll not realize, it's so soft and so smooth that it speeds up and you hardly realize. And same is the thing with Lexus, but in this car it has a solid presence on the road. It's not you can move the steering with one finger, something like that, nothing. Okay, you need to hold it properly. It's a very manly car, comfortable as hell. Obviously, it's supposed to be comfortable, and it's fast as well, guys. Since it's V12, let's take it to 140. See that? That's it, 140. There are a few cameras, and after that I'm gonna show you the drive. It's pretty amazing. This one is not driven much, okay, that's why it's a little bit expensive compared to if you are into market for this type of cars. It consumes a lot of fuel, like a hell lot of fuel, from half to quarter in like less than 30 minutes. It is very expensive to maintain this one specifically. Like right now from Sharjah we repaired the AC compressor. I think it was around 7,000 dirhams, something like that, just the compressor. So yeah, sometimes you can even put like Audi and this car share a lot of spare parts. So you can use a lot of if you find any Audi V12 spare parts, you can fix them easily. That is one cool part about having an old car. So you don't mind that you need to purchase new parts and all this type of stuff. So that's I find it very convenient. The laborers are gonna really enjoy it, but I am not, because because of the fuel part and the maintenance and other part. Another thing with this car that I do not like at all is since it is soundproofed very heavily, so you do not get any GPS signals in the car. You can't have any GPS signals. So that is like something I don't quite enjoy about it. And rest of everything is pretty cool. The seats are so comfortable that Another thing about myself is I'm not into these luxury cars, man. It's not like a dream for me to buy luxury cars or have luxury cars and stuff like that. It just happens. So alhamdulillah. But if I have the option to go and purchase a brand new one, I don't think so I would go for it. Who knows, maybe when the time comes, maybe that is what I would go for. But for the time being, this will do, the price that you can get it at, and that level of comfort and all this type of stuff. It is not an everyday car because it consumes a lot of fuel, but for events and stuff like that, it's pretty amazing. Like when you go to take any contracts, or when you are going to meet some clients and stuff like that, this one is it leaves its own image. So in Bentley cars, this was this was the model that I really liked. Alhamdulillah, pretty cool. But you can see some age on it. Like for example, this start button is already gone. Can't read anything. Do let me know, guys, if you want to see me using this car for my daily labor transport. If I get enough subscribers, I might, who knows, I might do it. Let me know. But not always, the fuel is telling me from now itself that that's not gonna happen. But anyway, it's a good experience, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Khalas, I'm gonna focus on my driving right now, and I'll try to reach Abu Dhabi I have a very busy day ahead tomorrow itself. See you guys tomorrow. Look at the Tesla. See you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna drive a little crazy now.